Hey folks, we're here with the Ford E350 Super Duty XLT. We call it our green machine. Today we're going to change the oil. So we got our oil filter, 15mm deep socket, 6 quarts of synthetic oil, 5W20, and our shop towels. So first let's go ahead and open our hood here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is locate the oil valve cover. That's right here. We're going to go ahead and open that up. And what that's going to do is allow the oil to all drain out. And we're going to come on under here. We're just going to go ahead and crack this guy open. And we might need a breaker bar for this one. Whoever changed the oil. You know what? It's loose. Yep, what we do is so we want to be careful not to let it fall into the pan. There we go. Yeah, that stuff's not too clean looking. We're just going to go ahead and drain that all out of there. Be careful not to lose our little plug sitting right here. This is going to fill up. I'm just going to wait till that's all done draining. Alright, so our oil is just about done draining here, so what I'm going to do is just wipe off our plug with a shop towel. Make sure our washer is still on there, and just go ahead and plug that back in here. And before I tighten it up, I'm just going to wipe this off. It's always good to keep things clean. Alright, so essentially what I've got here is a ginormous pipe wrench, and since we are disposing of this oil filter, I couldn't care less what I do to it. Normally you need an oil filter wrench, but what I'm going to do is just carefully break this guy loose. Try not to destroy anything that's inside. Alright, so we're pretty much broken loose here, and I'm just going to loosen this the rest of the way by hand. And oil's going to come out. Okay. There's our oil filter. So we're just going to let that drain out of there. Obviously you can see there's quite a bit more oil coming out of the where the oil filter used to be there. A clean shop towel here and rub this thing off. And I know it's gonna drip a little bit, but we'll just try to get it nice and clean. Where the old guy was. Okay. Alright, so I've gone ahead and pulled the oil out, and we're measuring just under 5 quarts. So what I'm going to do is we'll grab our small oil can here that we started using. So we've got our funnel here, and we're just going to slowly start adding. I've got a quart here, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump this in. I've got a 5-quart jug here, and we'll just slowly add this and check it every once in a while. Probably put about half of it in and then just check the oil level. Alright, so that's probably about half. I'm going to take that. It's our level. Now we are nowhere near where we need to be. Alright. I'm going to grab our funnel out of here. Put our oil cap back on. It's always a good idea to clean some stuff off first. Perfect. Well, there you go. That's the oil change for E350 XLT Super Duty. I'm going to grab our funnel out of here. Put our oil cap back on. It's always a good idea to clean some stuff off first. Perfect. Well, there you go. That's the oil change for E350 XLT Super Duty.